So the next thing I found were these straw bales. I thought these were so cute, especially when I start decorating. I could start decorating it with the pumpkins around it or on top of it. I just thought this was so cute, so I went ahead and picked this up. The next thing I got were these 2 plates. These are very good and handy for my son because, you know, I like to put his pancakes and his stuff in when it's time for him to eat. I like to put them in his own plate so he can eat with his hands or with the fork. However he wants to eat, I usually let him do it on his own. So it came 2 for $1. I thought it was such a good deal, so I went ahead and got that. And then I got these garage sale labels. Now I got this because we're going to be doing a yard sale pretty soon. So I wanted to get stickers like this just to put it on the items that I want to sell. So that is why I got that. And then I got this for my daughter. This is a Trace and Write activity book. So since she's going back to school, I'm going to start getting her ready and prepped for back to school again. I got my son this Mickey Mouse holder for his pacifier. I thought it was so cute. And then I also got, well, my daughter picked this out for her doll because she has a baby doll. It's like a realistic baby doll. And I'm telling you guys, people have got fooled by this baby doll because every time they see her with it, they think it's a real baby and they're like, oh my gosh, she's holding a baby, but it's not. It just looks so real. So she wanted to pick out some socks, so I let her pick out these, and they're unicorn and a rainbow. I thought they were so cute. And then she went ahead and picked this out. This is addition flash cards. So she's trying to get better at math. Math is not her strength, so she wants to go ahead and practice, so why not let her do that. And then another thing that I picked up was this Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Contour. I saw this and I was like, yes, I definitely want to give it a try, see how good it is, because I love me some cream contour. So I went ahead and got that. So that is it for that bag. And then in this bag, we have some paper plates because Mama don't like to be washing dishes all the time. And then the next thing I found was this beautiful pumpkin with the initials. So I got S for the last name so we can hang it up in the house. I thought this was so cute. It was so adorable. I could not leave it behind because I was like, no, this is too cute to leave behind. Next I got were these beautiful gold pumpkins. Oh my god, I love these. These are so cute. I absolutely fell in love when I saw them. I'm like, yes, I need to have those. And then the last thing that I got from Dollar Tree were these vases right here. So my idea is to paint them and then stick some floral in here for the fall time. So I'm not gonna leave them glass. I'm gonna spray paint them, and yeah, I think I'm gonna do a very cute DIY with these. So I cannot wait to do that. So that is it for my Dollar Tree, but I did want to share with you guys what I found at Target because I fell in love when I saw this. So I picked up a few things from there because I had to exchange, but you know, when you have to go in the store, like that is a trap, like right there in its own. It's like a little trap for you to start buying stuff. So the first thing I found were these 2, what are they called? Wooden crates, and they 2 for $5. So you get like a medium smallish side, and then you got a bigger one. So my idea is to paint them, change the color of them, and then decorate it for fall. And for the fall decor, I want to decorate it with these, and then I could probably switch it out and put some Christmas decor in here. So I want to paint it a very good color, like a very neutral color that I can just switch out the decor inside and then use it for another holiday. So that is my idea. So I want to paint them, see how they come out. So I thought that was such a good steal. And then I went inside Target because I had to exchange a foundation. I could not find my shade, so I went ahead and just picked up the Born to Glow concealer. I like this concealer. This is not a full coverage concealer. It's like more to medium to full coverage. So if you don't like that light coverage, you're not gonna like this because you do have to build it up if you want more coverage. So I like it. It's pretty good. I got mine in the shade of beige, but Elf was having a sale at my local Target. They were having a 30% off on some of their items. So this one right here was on 30% off. So I got this watermelon bite size blush and highlighter, and I've tried these before. They're like my absolute favorite, but my son broke it, so I had to get rid of it. So I don't have it anymore, but I had the more like peachy tone one. He broke it, so I don't have it anymore, but that's alright. So I picked up that one because it was on sale. And then I picked up these two lippies because they were on sale also. This is the lipstick. They're so, I don't even know the name. They don't have it. Oh, it's in the shade Nectar, so it's like a beautiful orangey shade. I thought it was so cute for fall, like a fall nice color. And then I got this one. This is a sheer stick. It's called in Golden Pear, and I did apply it above my lipstick that I already had on. I applied this, and I thought it was so cute. It's a very nice nectar color. Like, I thought it was a good steal because it was only 99 cents. So I was like, that is a steal at its own. So I was like, yes, give it to me. But yeah, that is it for my Dollar Tree and little bit of Target haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye, my loves.